Did you know that what you eat directly impacts your brain power? Imagine having sharper focus, better memory, and endless creativity just by tweaking your diet. But here's the secret. It's not just about what you eat but how you prepare it. And who knows food better than a chef? Today, I'll share 10 pro chef tips that will transform the way you eat, helping you fuel your brain while enjoying gourmet quality meals. Trust me, I've been there. Last week, I forgot my own phone passcode. It was 1-2-3-4. Your brain is a VIP. It demands 20% of your calories but acts dramatic if you feed it junk. Kind of like me before coffee. Ancient Greeks worshipped walnuts for wisdom, and honestly, they were onto something. Modern science proves that food can make you sharper, happier, and less likely to cry over spilled coffee. Which happened yesterday. Moving on. 1. Prioritize omega-3s like a chef. Chefs love salmon, sardines, and walnuts for their rich omega-3 content, which strengthens brain cells and improves memory. A simple tip? Drizzle extra virgin olive oil over your meals to boost healthy fats effortlessly. 2. Spice it up with turmeric. Top chefs know that spices are powerful medicine. Turmeric contains curcumin, which fights brain inflammation and supports memory. Pro tip: always pair it with black pepper to enhance absorption. 3. Master the art of brain-boosting smoothies. Instead of sugary drinks, chefs blend blueberries, spinach, flax seeds, and Greek yogurt for the ultimate brain-boosting smoothie. It's like rocket fuel for your brain, perfect before a big meeting or exam. 4. Cook smart. Avoid high-heat cooking. Did you know that charred food can produce toxins that harm brain cells? Instead of frying, opt for steaming, baking, or slow cooking to preserve nutrients. 5. Use dark chocolate like a pastry chef. Dark chocolate isn't just dessert, it's brain fuel. It's packed with flavonoids, which improve blood flow to the brain. Just stick to 70% or higher cocoa for the best results. 6. Fermented foods for a happy gut and brain. A healthy gut equals a sharp brain. Chefs worldwide incorporate kimchi, sauerkraut, and kefir to boost gut bacteria, which improves mood and focus. 7. Hydrate like a pro. Most chefs swear by infused water with lemon, cucumber, or mint. Staying hydrated keeps your brain alert. Even mild dehydration can slow you down. 8. The rainbow rule on your plate. A true chef knows that a colorful plate equals a healthy brain. Brightly colored fruits and veggies, like beets, bell peppers, and berries, are loaded with antioxidants that protect against brain aging. 9. Nuts and seeds, a chef's secret snack. Instead of chips, keep a mix of almonds, pumpkin seeds, and walnuts for snacking. These are rich in magnesium and vitamin E, which support cognitive function. 10. Avocado. Save the pit like a psycho, it works. Leave the pit in your guac to keep it green. No, really. It's not just a weird chef ritual. It blocks oxidation. Bonus: freak out your roommates by whispering, "The pit knows all." I used to struggle with brain fog and low energy until I started eating like a chef. Swapping out processed snacks for nuts and dark chocolate, drinking more water, and adding turmeric to my meals made a massive difference. Now, I feel sharper, more focused, and even in a better mood. Look, your brain is running the show. Feed it trash and it'll act like a toddler on a sugar crash. Feed it like a chef, and you'll be out here winning at life, remembering passwords, and finally finding your keys on the first try. So, which tip are you trying first? And be honest, how many avocados have you murdered by not saving the pit? Drop a comment, smash like, and go forth with your new chef-level brain. So, to recap, eat brain-boosting fats, spice up your meals, avoid high-heat cooking, hydrate, and eat the rainbow. These simple chef-inspired tweaks can help you think clearer, feel better, and even prevent brain aging. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more brain-boosting content, and comment below, what's your favorite brain food? Let's build a smarter, healthier community together.